you ever need to bench test your trolling motor, so this is a 36 volt, 112 pound Minn Kota. You can take 3 Milwaukee M12s and get you some of these little spade terminals. They fit in there perfectly. Link daisy chain these together. Makes it a series circuit. This is positive on the right hand side when you're looking at the M12 logo. That's positive. And that's negative on your control board. Negative is back here. Positive is back here. Positive is towards you going to your trolling motor. Negative there to your trolling motor. And then make sure your potentiometer is the flat on it is lined up with the tallest part. That's off. Hook up your unit and then you can twist it. So this board I've got forward. I've got a click in reverse, but I don't have reverse. So this board has forward, but no reverse. So that's the easy way to bench test them when you're having to pull apart and figure out what's going on with them. Is just take you some M12s. You don't have to buy a power supply. Put them in series. So negative to positive, negative to positive, negative to the front end of your control board. Positive goes to your other side. And on this side, they use a spade terminal. And that's all there is to it. It will pop when you first put it on, but as long as you make sure that's in that flat is at your tallest point, that'll be off. For whatever reason, if these aren't in the off position, they act weird when you give them juice. So, and this, you can't hardly test these at all without the motor being on it to load it up. I've tried bench testing these completely disconnected from the motor. And the way the pulse modulator works in there, it's got to have a load on it to act right. So it's really hard to bench test it because you're always going to get essentially 36 volts out of this at all times. It sends pulses to control the speed. So a multimeter, at least a digital multimeter, don't really show you if it's functioning correctly or not. You pretty much got to put the motor on it and test it like that. So that's an easy way to test out your control boards. Makes it pretty handy. Reverse goes out a lot in them. I still run them without it because we usually just turn the motor around backwards since it's a hand control. Reverse don't ever have much power anyway. So this board's still usable, just in forward only.